Eblyd ystradynod Bwlch y Gle, Aberbiga, Gronwen, Penrhynne. All quiet since 1967 under the depths of Glywedog. With my grandmother's home now a parking lot, and my grandfather's childhood home a ruin near the dam wall. Whilst middle-class romanticisation idealises the area, the reality is that the Mid-Wales annual salary is £9,000 a year less than the UK average. And if that isn't enough, we've seen a network of food banks opening throughout Wales, with Powys sharing 1,019 parcels in 6 months alone. Yet the high cost of houses is ridiculous, needing 7.5 times earnings to afford the average purchase cost of a house. So imagine the reaction when you realise there are 14,000 holiday homes in Mid and West Wales. They symbolise those with means, the haves as compared to have-nots, whilst our young people can't afford to live in their communities. Yet some have the audacity to complain about the rates on holiday homes and transfer them over to artificial companies to avoid paying rates. Exactly the same as multinational corporations do, hiding their assets away whilst everyone else has to pay. Yet, whilst this poverty exists in our communities, the very economic assets we have work against us. Nothing crystallises this more than the symbolic nature of Tryweryn, Lake Fernwy, Glywedog, Elan. And how many realise that the Conservative Prime Minister Mrs Thatcher, when privatising the water industry, ensured that Severn Trent had a 99-year lease which guarantees them 360 million litres a day for 3 pence a tonne. A pittance. And the proposed bill in Parliament at this time further highlights the danger of another dam being built in the area. Water is our oil, and its wealth should benefit our people, not faceless corporations. That is why I am who I am, a product of this place, with an understanding of the issues and concerns. My history and DNA is carved from these hills. Proud to be a Welshman, one that integrates social justice and economics, one that wants to see our economic assets being used for the benefit of the people of Wales, as member of Plaid Cymru, putting the area, Wales and its people first. I ask for your support. Diolch.